Hello, today we will guide you through how to edit PDF in iLovePDF. To begin, open the workspace in your browser. This is where you'll access the tools needed to work with your PDF. Once the workspace loads, take a moment to get familiar with the layout so it's easier to follow along with the editing process. Next, look to the left-hand navigation panel and click on Organize. This section typically contains tools for managing and modifying your document, so it's the right place to start when preparing a PDF for edits. After that, click on Edit. This will open the PDF editing area where you can make changes to the contents of your file. If you don't already have a document open, you'll now be prompted to select one. At this stage, click Upload New Files if the PDF you want to edit is saved on your computer and hasn't been added yet. This option lets you bring a new document into the workspace so you can begin working on it. Make sure you choose the correct file, especially if you have multiple versions saved. If your file was already used recently, you can instead click Choose from Recent Files. This is a convenient shortcut that saves time and helps you avoid uploading the same document again. It's especially useful if you've already been working in the platform and want to continue where you left off. From the Recent Files list, click the sample file to open it. Once selected, the document should load into the editor, and you'll be able to view the pages directly on screen. Before making changes, it can be helpful to quickly confirm that you opened the correct file and page. Now click Add Text. This tool allows you to place new text anywhere on the PDF. It's useful for filling in missing information, adding notes, or updating content without needing to recreate the document. After selecting it, your cursor will be ready to place a text box in the document. Finally, click on the text highlight area or follow the on-screen procedure shown in the editor. This is where you'll place and edit your text directly inside the PDF. Be sure to position the text carefully so it aligns well with the rest of the document and remains easy to read. Once you've made your changes, take a final look over the PDF to ensure everything appears correctly. That's how to edit a PDF in iLovePDF.